Well, I think it was shocking and astonishing, not just for me and Sinn Féin, but for the Irish public to learn that Minister Simon Harris was aware of a potential €391 million overrun in the National Children's Hospital as far back as August of last year, and didn't report that to the Minister for Finance, to the Taoiseach, to the Dáil. Indeed, he misled the Dáil during that period in relation to the cost of that project. And what this paints clearly a picture of is a minister who is out of his depth as Minister for Health, who is lacking in competence here in relation to getting a grip on this crisis. And we have called on the Taoiseach to remove him from office. We have also said, in failure of the Taoiseach to do that, that there is a responsibility on opposition. But we're mindful of the numbers in Leinster House, and that is why Mary Lou McDonald this morning has written to Micheál Martin, asking Micheál Martin to stop protecting Minister Harris in this regard, and asking him to indicate whether he still has confidence in the Minister for Health, and whether he is willing to support or move in his own right a motion of no confidence in the Minister. If he indicates, or indeed if a number of his parliamentary party indicate to us that they would support a motion, we will table one, and that can be tabled as soon as next week. I think apology is warranted. I think putting the record straight is warranted, but let's remember what this is about. This is over €450 million of taxpayers' money. This is sheer incompetence. This is a dysfunctional department. This is a minister who's out of his depth, and we see that clearly with the National Children's Hospital, but we also see it in his handling of the striking with the nurses. We see it with the ambulance strikes going on. We see it with the doctors protesting outside the gates of Leinster House. And this is a minister who is in charge of a budget of €17 billion. He is simply out of his depth, and it is Sinn Féin's view very clearly that he needs to be removed from his position. Now, the Taoiseach has the responsibility to do that. Failing the Taoiseach doing that, then it is over to the opposition, and it is Micheál Martin and his party who's breathing confidence into this minister and who's allowing him to remain in place. So we're asking him to stop protecting the minister. We're asking him to indicate to us that they would support a motion of no confidence, and we will move a motion of no confidence if we get that support.